Black-eyed Bobby Bruiser bit a bobble-headed bum, bashed his brains and broke his bones and bellowed, "What have I become?" Hearing riding, rapid running, reeking of ranch itchy brum, rotten reasoning, rumbling raucously, rationalizing what he had done. And Carefree Carrie came carrying quite the load of coke, going crawling through customs on a condom she did choke, craving cocaine a coming as she cry before she croak, chuckling circles, confess crazy cosmos, that's all she wrote. What a wicked world we live in. Ooh. A fellow from Finland fell from far and then he froze, fumbling, failing, freezing, faltering in the frigid snow. Stopped skiing, started swooping, almost swaying down the slopes, soaring skies but simply satisfied he'd die doing what he'd loved the most. Generals go grumbling, growing grouchy, gambling, giving gullible GIs a motivation from within. Guns get gnarling, get growling, killing guiltless victims. Graves are glorified and glorified. Good gods, isn't it a sin? What a wicked world we live in. Ooh, what a wicked world we live in. What a wicked world to walk without a welcoming womb, tempting, tantalizing twits into a terrifying tomb. Make the most of magic moments with magnificent moons. Stop and settle stupid struggles, since the end always seems to show up soon. Well, I can tell that my messages are unread. I can see your meaning to move on. I know that you've grown way past me. It didn't work and it hurt, but it's wrong. 'Cause I'm really very sorry about the things they crawl in my brain. I chase them out and I kill them, but they always come back again. Please, 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 please help me wipe away these bad thoughts. Please help me, 'cause being with you's all that I want. I've crawled these walls, but I'd slip down. I'd aim at these flames, they burn. Misjudged how much this hurts us. I've died inside 'cause I yearn. 'Cause I'm really very sorry about these things they crawl in my head. I chase them out and I kill them, but they expand and flourish instead. Please, 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 please help me wipe away these bad thoughts. So please help me, 'cause being with you's all that I want. I've silenced the violence that haunts me, but these sounds are bound to come back. I see it's me who needs assistance. Just be ashamed to be afraid to ask. So please help me wipe away these bad thoughts. So please help me, 'cause being with you's all that I want. Yes, being with you's all I want. Some say loving someone, it only brings you heartache. Pain when the ones you love wither away. I'm not sure if I'll be able to lift that heavy veil of grief, but I'm willing to try it anyway. 'Cause your heart is safe with me. face death and fire and dishonesty. It formed you to this wonder you're now. And I will pick that fruit, enjoy my every second with you. You're perfect and I love you anyhow. 'Cause your heart is safe with me. Yes, your heart is safe with me. Yes, your heart is safe with me. And my heart is safe with you. Dank jullie wel. Tot de volgende keer.